Here we have a new unique situation where the customer has chosen a sheet vinyl flooring. Right here it's actually a Mannington wood grain look luxury sheet vinyl that she wants to temporarily install it over her wood floor in her kitchen area. And the reason she wants to do this is because she has her grandchildren living in her room, and she needs to protect the wood floor from being scratched the way it has been, and getting more abuse during the period that her grandchildren are there. So she just wants to lay this down temporarily in this area to protect her wood floor. So again, she's chosen this vinyl flooring and has a special backing which is made to lay loose and flat. So we will be cutting this in custom around her kitchen cabinets, around the refrigerator, and just again lay it loose so the wood floor will be protected. So we've done this initially in this area here. You could just see it, her wood floor there, and it's going in front of the stove. And in this area where the table is here, and there's a refrigerator, and initially she stopped it right at this point, but then she decided to continue the flooring completely in this area to basically cover the most part of the whole kitchen and dinette area. As we see it here in this final video, you see the whole floor here, again cut around what we need to and cover the complete area. So it's kind of unique. When it's all done, she can remove it and actually reuse this flooring and while protecting her wood floor. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com, go to our video gallery where you could see more videos of other types of flooring and installations. And while you're there, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.